Today we're going to bring some glass containers. This is perfect for meal preps. Not only that, it's to store things too. Like for example, we have our cheeses here that we want to store and keep that freshness. These are perfect. Now these all have the same kind of seal. They have the air freshener here so you can release some air if you don't want to compress them too much in there. They have lock sealable all around silicone. All right, every single cap, if you see it, it's the same way. They lock in, and we're going to lock one in so you guys can see how it works. But they give you 6 of them, 2 round ones, all right, if you guys can see, and 4 of the square ones, a rectangle or square. This is perfect if you're going to prepare meals for the next day, or if you're a meal prepper. This is perfect. Now, altogether, they're microwavable, all right, but not with the lids. Don't use the lids, all right. Dishwashable, and but not microwavable, all right? Not the lids, all right? They could be with, if you want to warm your meals up, if you want to take them for lunch, these are perfect for you guys. Remember, when you're microwaving them, do not put the lid on, right? This is only to depressurize it after you cover it up when your meal's hot, right? These are oven safe also too, and easy to wash. If you can put them on the oven and microwave, you can put them on the dishwasher. So just be prepared for yourself not to touch them because they get a little hot if you get out of the oven too, all right? So today I'm gonna show you how to lock them in place and keep that flavor going. So like I said, you find your sizes, all right? And we washed them, all right? These are all washed already. And if you dry them up, make sure they're nice and dry. But if you guys can see, these are all lockable. So this is that one. And it locks in place this way. You see that? And if you want to keep the freshness of air, you can, or you can release it here. And every single one is water sealed, waterproof. So meal preps are perfect. Condiments, anything, onions, keep them. Onions especially, because if you cut onions, you put them in the fridge, it's going to stink up your whole fridge. But this way, it's going to keep all the freshness on the onion contained in the container. Glass, very simple, out of the box. I hope you guys enjoy this video.